In this tutorial, we will examine the basic commands of Rust's cargo tool. First, let's check the version by typing cargo-version to make sure we have installed cargo on our computer correctly. Now, we will use the Rust compiler via cargo. Creating a new project is very simple with cargo. Let's go to the folder location we want to create. We call cargo new hello cargo to create the standard Rust package executable. You can also add the --bin flag, but it can create a binary application package without typing it. If you are using a version control system other than Git when creating a new package, you must specify it with the --vcs flag. Or if you are going to put this script file in a subfolder of the existing Git repo like me, you need to set the --vcs flag to none. If we examine the basic package structure, there are source and .git folder, .toml, and .git ignore files. When we compile, another folder called target is created. If we look at the source folder, we have one standard main.rs file in it. If we used the --lib flag, we would have created a library. We'll talk about the library later. If you look at the cargo.toml file, a standard Rust package comes with name, version, and edition. In the dependencies section, we can include different libraries in our own code file. Now, let's examine running our program. First, open the main.rs file and create a program that prints hello cargo. Therefore, the text here is world. I replace it with cargo. In order to basically run this code file, I need to build first. Let's go into the package created first with terminal. Here we can compile by typing cargo build. As you can see, it created a target folder and my executable file is located in the debug folder in it. Here we compile in debug mode. You can also run this file by accessing the folder here. We saw this in our previous lesson. But the cargo tool provides us convenience and we can run it with the cargo run command. Save it and type cargo run. Cargo organizes and compiles many files for us. In fact, it uses Rust compiler commands in itself. Instead of dealing with such things, we direct the cargo. That's why we will use the cargo tool completely in our next lessons. Since Rust's compilation time is a bit long, we use the cargo check command to await recompiling unmodified files for a few files. This allows you to save time. Of course, we do not give the debug output to the users when our code is finalized. Instead, we need to output release. We do this when our code is finalized. For this, it is enough to write cargo build -- release. Again, he created a folder named release in target. We can do it by typing cargo run -- release to run the release output. As you can see, our file is running by following a path like target / release / hello cargo. As a note, if you have uncompiled files, the cargo run commands compiles them like cargo check and then runs them. Therefore, you do not need to type cargo build and then run to run it. Just the cargo run command will suffice.